Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. In this video, I will be doing a Scrooge makeup transformation. I'm back. So I hope you enjoy it and stay tuned. I'll be doing a makeup illusions series coming up soon. But we have two more, this plus one more Christmas video. We just had to get in before Christmas, just had to. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to it. Enjoy! Hey guys, alright, so I started off by applying foundation and blending it in with a sponge. I then wrinkled up my face and drew in those natural wrinkled lines once you make those faces, and just filled in and added some more to make it an angry, upset face. Once I was happy with that, I just blended everything in with a little fluffy brush. By the way, I'm using all BH Cosmetics here. Now I'm starting with a light concealer and I'm just putting it on top of every line that I created with that dark concealer. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend that in. Okay, now I'm taking a water-based face paint and I am placing it on all the lines, all the wrinkles, and then blending it in with a dry brush. Okay, now I'm going in with a black powder. This is from Elisa Griffith's palette, and I'm just placing it right on top of all of those lines. Now I'm taking a translucent setting powder and just placing it all over my face. Okay, now I'm taking an off-white powder from Elisa Griffith's palette and placing it next to the black lines. At this point, I felt like it was starting to turn into a zombie because it was so pale, so I added some color with a darker concealer, and then I added some blush to the cheeks. Right now I'm taking the same black from before and just going into every wrinkle and just having a very thin line in the middle. Alright, now I took a old white wig that I had, cut it up, and applied it to my face with liquid latex. And it was only to the jawline, not the chin, and also for the eyebrows. Make sure to block out your eyebrows and your jawline with glue before you do this. Liquid latex can pull your hair out, so just make sure you do that before you start with the liquid latex. Now I took a brown powder and just tried to blend the hair into the skin. At this point, I'm just going to darken everything up with the black powder. Okay, now I'm applying another wig to my head, and now I'm taking my top hat, which I got from Party City, and I'm just adjusting everything. I also added some black to the eyebrows to try to blend it in a little bit more. Now I'm just deepening that contour with more black powder, and then I'm going to put on my button-down white shirt and black jacket, and that will be the final look. Bah, humbug. Christmas. No. 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 Bah. Humbug. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my Scrooge makeup transformation, and please stay tuned. I will be starting a Makeup Illusions series coming up very soon, but I had to include these last few Christmas videos right before Christmas, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Meh. Christmas. Ah, I'm back. Christmas. I'm back.